Hello, students. Welcome to our channel, your chemistry coach, Simple Rajendra Shukla. Students, in our last video, we learned about naming of the bicyclo compounds. And with a continuation to that, in our this video, we are learning about nomenclature of spiro compounds. यानी कि जो स्पायरो कंपाउंड्स हैं उनका नामकरण कैसे किया जाए. So the very first thing which one should know is what are spiro compounds? The spiro compounds are those compounds which contain a single atom common to the two alicyclic rings. Compounds having a single atom common to the two alicyclic rings are called the spiro compounds. Compounds having a single atom common to the two alicyclic rings are called the spiro compounds. In these compounds, the prefix that we use, यानी नाम पूरे नाम के पहले जो लिखेंगे, prefix. The prefix which is used is the spiro, followed by a square bracket, and in the square bracket we have to write the number of carbon atoms which are connected to the spiro atom. Which is the spiro atom? The atom which is common in the two rings is the spiro atom. It is a single atom common to the two rings. So spiro followed by square bracket. In the square bracket, we have to write number of carbons in each ring connected to the spiro atom. Number of carbons in the each ring connected to the spiro atom in the ascending order. यानी मान लीजिए एक रिंग में 3 कार्बन स्पायरो एटम से कनेक्टेड है और दूसरे में 2 कार्बन स्पायरो एटम से कनेक्टेड है. सो यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर इन द असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, यानी कि 2.3 and not 3.2. Not. You have to write 2.3 in the ascending order, followed by the total number of carbon atoms in both the rings as the suffix. Now, whenever you have to learn anything, I just recollect that saying, I listen, I forget. I see, I understand, and I remember. So let's see some of the examples. So here comes some of the examples that we are discussing. Students, the very first example which I am taking is a very simple structure, something like this. Okay, I want to name it. Now, for your convenience, I'm just opening the structure in the form of carbon atoms. This is how it is. I'm adding the required number of hydrogens. As I know the valency of carbon is 4. Keeping that in mind, I'm adding the required number of hydrogen atoms. As I told you, the atom which is common in the two rings, the single atom which is common in both the rings is called the spiro atom. So in the given structure, this carbon atom is the spiro atom. So I'll just mention it over there so that when you review the video, you are not confused. So this is the spirocarbon atom. This is the spirocarbon atom. While writing the name, the prefix is a spiro, so I wrote the prefix, followed by a square bracket, and in the square bracket, I have to see how many carbon atoms in each ring are connected to the spiro atom. So in this ring, this right side ring, there are 2 carbon atoms which are connected to the spiroatom, and in the left side ring also there are 2 carbon atoms connected to the spiroatom. I have to write these numbers in an ascending order with a dot in between. But students, since the number of carbon atoms in both the rings are same, so there is no question of ascending order in this example. Followed by the total number of carbon atoms in the ring, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm writing here pentane. So the name of this compound becomes spiro 2.2 pentane. Now, students, let us take an example which is having different number of carbon atoms in the 2 rings. Something like this. I want to name this spiro compound. So the very first word which I have to write is spiro, followed by a bracket. Let me locate the spiro atom. This one is the spirocarbon. Correct? The number of carbon in the 2 rings is 2 over here. And in this ring, number of carbons, see, number of carbons in the ring are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you have to write only the carbons which are connected to the spiroatom. Meaning आपको टोटल करने के टाइम spiroatom को गिनना नहीं है. उसके लिए आपने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे spiro लिख दिया है. You have to write these numbers in ascending order. So 2, 4. Now the total carbons are 4 plus 2, 6, and this one 7, and hence the name becomes spiro 2.4 heptane. So if you take care, see 4 carbons, 2 carbons, 4 plus 2, 6, and 1 spirocarbon, 7. That is why here it is hept, which is 7 carbon atoms. Let us see another example, students. Say I want to write name of something like, just a minute, something like this. Oh, now this looks as if we cannot name it, but it's not difficult at all. See, this is the spirocarbon atom. The very first thing to locate in the structure is the spirocarbon atom, which I have located. For that spiroatom, I write here spiro, followed by the square bracket. Now let me count the number of carbon atoms in each ring. यानी सबसे पहले हमने लिखा वो एटम जो कि दोनों रिंग का कॉमन पॉइंट ऑफ कनेक्शन है, यानी वो एटम जो कि दोनों रिंग में कॉमन है, और इस सिंगल एटम को जो 2 रिंग में कॉमन है इसको बोलते हैं स्पाइरोकार्बन एटम. किसी भी स्पाइरो कंपाउंड का नाम लिखने के समय सबसे पहले ये स्पाइरो वर्ड लिखा जाता है, जो कि हमने लिख दिया है. इसके बाद बच्चों हमें काउंट करना है दोनों रिंग में कितने कार्बन है जो कि इस स्पाइरो एटम से जुड़े हुए हैं. तो ये जो अंदर वाली रिंग है इसमें 3 कार्बन है, जबकि ये जो बाहर वाली रिंग है बच्चों इसमें 4 कार्बन है. ये 4 और 3 कार्बन हमें असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखने हैं, यानी 3 और 4, और दोनों असेंडिंग ऑर्डर के नंबर्स के बीच में हमें एक डॉट, एक फुल पॉइंट बनाना है. इसके बाद हमें इस हाइड्रोकार्बन में टोटल कितने कार्बन है वो गिनना है. देखिए ये 1 कार्बन है, 3 ये हैं, 4 हो गए, और 4 इस रिंग में, यानी 8 कार्बन. 8 के लिए जो हाइड्रोकार्बन है वो ऑक्टेन है, और इस तरह से हमारा इस स्पाइरो कंपाउंड का नाम कंप्लीट हुआ स्पाइरो 3.4 octane. So students, I think this entire naming and everything is clear to you, no doubt about it. In case you have doubt, you can write to me on the WhatsApp number that is given in the description of this video, and you can also write to me in the comment box. Love and blessings to all of you. Keep studying regularly and consistently because that's the key to success. Bye bye.